Tonight, a pistol-carrying pastor is encouraging his Southeast Texas congregation to carry concealed weapons and handguns to church. KFDM's Sarai Demien reports why some Kirbyville churchgoers feel they need to protect themselves.
First Baptist Church in Kirbyville is a place they come to worship. But it's also a place
the Bible says those who are sheepdogs are supposed to protect the sheep from the wolves,
where they're encouraged to carry guns.
The latest with the shooting at the church in the Carolinas. You know, if someone there had had a gun, he might have